Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix PUBG, failed to log in, please try again on my mobile app. So if you're currently having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I first did was that I closed the app and instead I went into my settings app. So I went into my settings app and here as you can see, and now what I did on this page is that I scrolled down in here and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general and then I scrolled down in here once again and I clicked on storage. So basically what I did in here is that I firstly waited for this page to completely load, and afterwards I scrolled down and I clicked on the PUBG mobile app in here as you can see. Then I clicked on upload app and once again I clicked on upload app in here. I just waited for this page to completely load and then I clicked on the blue button here again. And basically, as you can see, what will happen now is that we will actually be able to get the absolute latest version for this app. So you need to do this when you have like hard time to log in or something is wrong with your app, there's some bug. Just do this and wait for the app to completely load. This might take a while, just so you know, because quite often the app itself is like it might take a lot of space on your mobile. So just wait for it to completely load because the new version might be quite heavy, maybe, I don't know. So just wait for it to load and then go back into the app and try again, and hopefully now it works for you. If it doesn't work, if you still are not able to log in, it might be that either your username or password is obviously wrong. So try to reset your password and then hopefully you can fix it from there on as well.